Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're transforming your home office into a haven of productivity and inspiration. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Choosing the right location for your home office is paramount. It's the first step towards creating a space where you can thrive and be at your most productive. It sets the foundation for a productive and enjoyable work experience. A well-chosen location can significantly impact your efficiency and overall work satisfaction. When selecting your workspace, consider a location with ample natural light. Natural light is not just about aesthetics, it plays a crucial role in maintaining your energy levels throughout the day. Natural light not only brightens the room, but also reduces eye strain and uplifts your mood. It can make a significant difference in how you feel and perform during your work hours. Aim for a quiet area with minimal distractions. A peaceful environment is essential for maintaining focus and concentration, which are key to productivity. Whether it's a dedicated room or a quiet corner in your living room, minimizing distractions will help you stay focused. The fewer interruptions you have, the more you can accomplish. Consider the flow of traffic in your home. High traffic areas can be noisy and disruptive, making it hard to concentrate. If possible, opt for a location that is not in the heart of household activity. A secluded spot can provide the quiet and privacy you need to work effectively. If you share your home with others, clearly communicate your work hours and boundaries. Letting others know when you are working can help create a respectful and interruption-free environment. This will help manage expectations and minimize interruptions during your dedicated work time. Setting these boundaries is crucial for maintaining a professional atmosphere. By carefully considering these factors, you'll lay the foundation for a truly productive and enjoyable home office experience. Thoughtful planning and attention to detail can transform your home office into a space where you can excel. In the realm of home office essentials, a good chair reigns supreme. It's an investment in your health and well-being. When choosing a chair, prioritize ergonomics and comfort. Look for a chair that provides adequate lumbar support. Adjustability is another crucial factor. The ability to adjust the height, armrests, and tilt of your chair will ensure proper posture. Consider the material and padding of the chair. Don't hesitate to invest in a high-quality chair. Your body will thank you for it. By choosing a chair that prioritizes ergonomics and comfort, you'll create a workspace that supports your well-being. Natural light is a gift, and it's one that we should embrace, especially in our workspaces. The benefits of natural light are plentiful. It reduces eye strain, boosts mood, and enhances overall well-being. Position your desk near a window to maximize the amount of natural light that enters your workspace. If privacy is a concern, consider using sheer curtains or blinds. In addition to natural light, pay attention to artificial lighting. Choose light bulbs that emit a warm, natural light rather than harsh fluorescent lighting. Consider incorporating a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Distractions are the nemesis of productivity, and in a home office setting, they can be abundant. From the allure of household chores to the endless notifications on our devices, distractions can easily derail our focus. Start by identifying your biggest distractions. Are you easily sidetracked by social media? Do you find yourself drawn to the clutter around you? One effective strategy is to create a dedicated workspace. If you don't have a separate room for a home office, try to define a clear boundary between your workspace and the rest of your living area. Another helpful tip is to communicate your work hours to family members or housemates. Let them know when you're not to be disturbed, except for emergencies. Setting boundaries is essential for your productivity and well-being. Consider using noise-cancelling headphones to block out background noise. Additionally, creating a daily to-do list can help you stay on track. Remember to take short breaks to recharge and avoid burnout. Practicing mindfulness can also enhance your focus and reduce stress. Lastly, ensure your workspace is comfortable and ergonomically designed. By implementing these strategies, you can create a more productive and distraction-free home office environment. Our physical environment has a profound impact on our mental state. A cluttered desk can lead to a cluttered mind, making it difficult to focus and be productive. Take some time to declutter your desk. Remove any unnecessary items such as old papers, pens that no longer work, or knickknacks that don't serve a purpose. Keep only the essentials within reach. A clear desk allows for a clear mind. Implement a system for organizing your paperwork. Use trays, folders, or a filing cabinet to keep your documents in order. Consider going digital whenever possible. Scan important documents and store them electronically to reduce paper clutter. A clutter-free desk is an invitation to focus, creativity, and a sense of calm. Ergonomics plays a crucial role in creating a comfortable and healthy workspace. It's not just about comfort, but also about enhancing productivity and well-being. It's about designing your workspace to fit your body and minimize the risk of strain or injury. A well-designed workspace can prevent long-term health issues. Let's start with your chair. The right chair can make a significant difference in your comfort and posture. Ensure that your chair provides adequate lumbar support and that your feet are flat on the floor. This helps maintain the natural curve of your spine. If your feet don't reach the floor, use a footrest to elevate them. This simple adjustment can prevent lower back pain. Next, adjust your monitor height. Proper monitor placement is essential for reducing eye strain and neck pain. The top of your monitor should be at eye level so that you're not straining your neck. This helps keep your head in a neutral position. Position your keyboard and mouse in a way that allows your wrists to remain straight and your elbows to be bent at a 90-degree angle. This setup reduces the risk of repetitive strain injuries. Consider using an ergonomic keyboard or mouse if you experience wrist pain. These tools are designed to support your hands and wrists. Take breaks to stretch and move around. Regular movement is crucial for maintaining flexibility and preventing muscle stiffness. Prolonged sitting can be detrimental to our health. It can lead to various issues such as poor circulation, muscle degeneration, and even increased risk of chronic diseases. Even a few minutes of stretching or walking can make a big difference in preventing stiffness and promoting circulation. Incorporate these small breaks into your daily routine for better overall health. While functionality is essential in a home office, it's equally important to create a space that brings you joy and reflects your personality. Adding personal touches to your workspace can make it feel more inviting and inspiring. Start by incorporating items that spark joy and inspire you. This could be anything from a favorite artwork to a collection of books that you cherish. Consider adding plants to your workspace. Plants not only purify the air, but also bring a touch of nature indoors, creating a more calming atmosphere. Incorporate colors that inspire you and create a positive and uplifting atmosphere. In today's digital age, the lines between work and personal life can easily blur, especially when working from home. That's why it's crucial to create a dedicated work area that signals to your mind and body that it's time to focus on work. When you have a designated workspace, you're less likely to be distracted by household chores or other activities. A dedicated work area also helps to establish boundaries with family members or housemates. Choose a space in your home that you can dedicate solely to work, even if it's just a corner of a room. Having a designated workspace will help you mentally shift into work mode and stay focused on your tasks. Invest in comfortable and ergonomic furniture for your workspace. A well-organized workspace is a productive workspace. When everything has its place, it's easier to find what you need without wasting precious time searching for misplaced items. Start by assessing your storage needs. Utilize vertical space by incorporating shelves, filing cabinets, or wall-mounted organizers. This will free up valuable desk space and keep your workspace feeling open and airy. Use drawer dividers, trays, or small containers to organize items within drawers. Label everything clearly. When you label your storage containers, you'll always know where to find what you're looking for. Repurpose items around your home, such as mason jars for holding pens and pencils, or decorative boxes for storing electronics. In the pursuit of productivity, it's easy to get caught up in our work and forget to take breaks. However, regular breaks and movement are essential for our physical and mental well-being. When we sit for prolonged periods, our bodies can become stiff, our circulation can slow down, and our minds can become fatigued. Getting up and moving every hour, even for a few minutes, can make a world of difference. Set reminders on your phone or use a timer to prompt you to take breaks. During your breaks, get up and move around. Step away from your workspace during your breaks. Embrace breaks as an opportunity to refresh, recharge, and return to your work with renewed focus and energy. Congratulations on transforming your home office into a haven of productivity and inspiration. Remember, your workspace should be a reflection of you and spark joy every time you step into it. By incorporating the principles of organization, ergonomics, and personalization, you've created a workspace that supports your well-being. Now take a moment to appreciate the transformation you've created. Embrace the joy that comes from working in an environment that inspires you. And remember, maintaining an organized and inspiring workspace is an ongoing journey, not a destination.